Namaste, my dear friends. How are you all? I am Sri Guru. Welcome to Sri Guru Yoga and Health channel. And today we are going to learn a new and important topic about women. And the topic is what are the pranayamas and mudras must be practiced during menstruation. And I think this is very important for every woman. And most of the women are asking me and my students and yoga practitioners, and what are the mudras and pranayamas to be practiced while menstruation. So dear friends, and let us go into the topic with today. And those who are watching this video first time our channel, so I request them please subscribe our channel. And the topic is today, as I said, the mudra and pranayama during menstruation. Dear friends, the first thing, we have to adjust our energy or balance our energy, entire our body energy and internal functional energy properly in a balanced way. So that the first mudra is very important, prana mudra. So you know, my dear friends, with these 5 fingers we can make so many mudras, but in this topic the first mudra is up. Prana mudra. So just joining with your last 2 fingers, so pinky finger and ring finger, merge with the thumb and join with these 2 fingers, and then keep your mudra in this direction, not this. So please keep your mudra this direction on your legs, and you can sit any comfortable posture, my dear friends. So somebody cannot be able to sit in down, so that you can sit on chair or in your bed, so whatever may be, but you can adjust your sitting posture either sitting down or in your chair. So first mudra, prana mudra, and keep your hands in this posture and close your eyes. Take a 10 times deep, 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, take a deep breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. That is comfortable deep breathe in, breathe out. This is called Sukha Dirgha Swasa. So comfortable deep breathe in, breathe out for 10 minutes with this mudra. And if you do this mudra, pranayama, it will make correction to each and every part of the body and energy and nadi. So it will correct your energy levels internally. So that this is very important first. And the second important mudra is apana mudra, dear friends. So with these 5 fingers, so take middle 2 fingers and merge with the thumb. This is called apana mudra. I can call it detox mudra. So that it will eliminate the toxins in your body and mind, as well as even while menstruation, the spoiled egg are getting away, so eliminating, so that most of the women will feel painful menstruation. But if you do this mudra along with the Sukha Dirgha Swasa, comfortable deep breathe in, breathe out, that pain can also easily reduced. So the second mudra is apana mudra, and again 10 minutes comfortable deep breathe in, breathe out. So this is the second. Then the third mudra is Nadi Shodhana Pranayama with Nasika mudra. So you have to close your first 2 fingers and then open your ring finger and pinky finger and thumb. With this is called Nasika mudra. It can reduce pains so very nicely. And with this mudra, with the right hand, so close your right nostril, inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. Again inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. So continue this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama 5 minutes with your right hand. And meanwhile, you have to keep your left hand apana mudra only, because it will flow, it will make easy to the menstrual flow. And then after 5 minutes, so change the mudras. So next 5 minutes, so go for Nasika mudra with the left hand, continue Nadi Shodhana more 5 minutes, and keep your right hand in apana mudra. So no confusion, my dear friends, just we are doing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama with 5 minutes with your right hand and 5 minutes with our left hand. So 10 minutes over. So first Prana Mudra 10 minutes, Apana Mudra 10 minutes and Nadi Shodhana 10 minutes. So because we are doing this right hand with the left hand means we have to, so just balancing our neck muscles relaxed. If you do 10 minutes continuously with right hand only, so few members will get pain on the right side or left side, like that. If you do with both hands, the neck muscles will get balanced. And then the next fourth mudra is Prashantasana Pranayama. Prashantasana Pranayama. Just lying down on your back and rest your whole body and continue the same deep breath in, breathe out. So I will show you how it is. Now, you just lie down on your bed or on your mat. So just lie down comfortably. And after Prashantasana, you can adjust your body posture from toes to top of the head. You can relax your whole body and adjust your hands, adjust your spine. Then close your eyes and concentrate on your breath. While if you observe, while inhale, you can feel the chest and abdomen coming up. And while breathe out, the abdomen and chest goes down. So this happens continuously while deep breathing, breathe out. So go this practice with 10 minutes, dear friends. If you continue 10 minutes, the whole physical body and mind and breath and energy levels also will get balanced. And you will feel very fresh after doing this practice. And after 10 minutes, if you want to get up, so always remember, my dear friends, don't get up directly. So please turn either right or left side. So it is better to turn right side. So just take a turn right side and with the left hand support slowly up. And this is the Prashanta Pranayama. So I am just repeating again the 4 mudras. First Prana Mudra Pranayama, second Apana Mudra Pranayama, third Nadi Shodhana with right hand 5 minutes, and again with the left hand 5 minutes. The other hand should be in Apana Mudra. This is the mudra. And last 4th one is Prashanta Pranayama. If you do this 4 mudra pranayamas, you can do practice regularly on 5 days or 6 days. And if you have time to practice one more time in a day, it will be very, very good, dear friends. And many persons and women get suffered from the irregular menstrual or menstrual related disorders or painful menstrual cycles. So not only practicing these 4 mudras during the menstruation, you can practice in the regular day, in every day also. If you practice 3 months regularly these 4 mudras and pranayamas, your menstrual cycle will get balanced and it will correct, and the painful menstruation also will get disappear. And this is a great mudras and pranayamas in yogic science, and not only for menstrual cycle, to cleanse your whole body toxins level. So thank you very much, my dear friends, and please practice 3 months continuously, and then after the results, whatever the results you are getting, just comment in this video, and we will meet with the next a very good topic, my dear friends. And till then, thank you very much. Namaste.